Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Noise smartwatch. First, let's get you set up. Begin by unboxing your new device and checking for all accessories. Charge it completely. This usually takes around 2 hours. Next, download the Noise Fit app on your phone. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your watch using Bluetooth. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready to explore all its features. Now, let's explore how to navigate your Noise smartwatch. Swiping left or right on the watch face gives you quick access to essential widgets like heart rate and weather. A downward swipe reveals your notifications, keeping you updated. Swiping up from the bottom opens the main menu, where all your applications reside. The physical button on the side is your Goda for returning home or quickly accessing the app list, making navigation intuitive and efficient. Your Noise smartwatch is a powerful health and fitness companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing insights into your cardiovascular health. You can track daily steps, distance, and calories burned, helping you reach your fitness goals, perhaps aiming for 10,000 steps. The sleep tracking feature offers detailed analysis of your sleep patterns. Plus, with over 100 sports modes, you can accurately record data for almost any activity, from running to yoga. Finally, let's talk about customizing your Noise smartwatch and some advanced tips. Personalize your device by choosing from hundreds of watch faces available in the Noise Fit app. You can set custom alarms and reminders, ensuring you never miss an important event. Control your smartphone's music playback right from your wrist, a super convenient feature. Don't forget to explore other handy tools like remote camera control and the Find My Phone function, enhancing your daily experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.